Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's daily tech tips. And in today's tech tip, you're learning how to establish if Facebook is down. So you go to facebook.com like you normally do, but you discover that you can't access your Facebook account for one reason or the other. And you don't know whether it's your internet connection, your app, or even your own Facebook account. Or maybe Facebook is down. And if you think Facebook is down, here's how to find out if Facebook is really down or it's just you. Number one, check Facebook's platform status page. Now, this is a page designed to specifically monitor the status of Facebook and its servers. And it shows whether Facebook is currently up and running. It shows different other parameters like response time, error rate, and the health history of Facebook for the past 90 days. My problem with this page is that it's hosted by Facebook. And so if there's an issue with Facebook, then it might not be able to report the problem in real time. Just my thoughts. Anyway, I'll leave a link down in the description below for that page so you can check that out in case you encounter any problems with Facebook. Number two is check Facebook's Twitter handle. Now, Facebook is on Twitter, as if you didn't know it yet. And if Facebook is down, it means they can't communicate through Facebook. So they normally use Twitter to communicate or to announce any outages and downtimes in their systems. So go to Twitter and find their handle at Facebook, and then find out if they've put up any official communication regarding any downtimes or problems. I like this one because it has nothing to do with Facebook and their servers, which means Facebook is able to communicate in real time even when there's an issue with their Facebook platform and all that stuff. And you can also check other user-generated tweets by following hashtags like Facebook down or FB down, or any other hashtag that you think will be talking about Facebook problems, just to see if other people are experiencing Facebook outages. Number three, and lastly, is to use third-party status checkers like Down Detector and currently down.com and any other third-party tool that you might want to use. And these ones also show you when Facebook is experiencing issues. Some of them even have places where users can comment their specific issues, and you can even check to see how many people are experiencing issues at any particular time. Some will even show you a heat map on Google Maps, so you can be able to see specifically which regions are experiencing the same problems as you're experiencing. And if you can't find significant information in all the three checks I've discussed, then the problem is very likely to be on your end. Probably browser cookies, maybe issues with your computer, issues with your Facebook account specifically, anything really, but Facebook isn't down. And that's how to check if Facebook is down. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.